Hi, and welcome to the J&R Marine Weekly Report. The date is Sunday, August 16th, 2026. My name is Coby, and this is episode 22. Let's get into the weekly achievements and failures of the RC boat community. Welcome back to the studio, everybody. Welcome back. Thank you for tuning in. If you're new to the channel, this is a weekly report, novelty report that we do every week, try to at least, of showcasing everybody's achievements and failures and the videos that everybody puts out for the RC boat community. Speed passes, crashes, ovals, builds, we showcase them. And like always, the links to the videos that we are showcasing are in the description to this video below. So you'll be able to go over there to these public videos, hit those links and watch those videos, hit those like buttons, come back here, tell me what you thought. We're going to move along though, guys. This week we have a pretty awesome show. We have a 2-for-1 special. We have some really awesome ovals and we have a really cool build. Speaking of builds, we're going to start the week off with Build of the Week. Build of the Week comes straight from Instagram, from Integritas Marine, where he puts together a fully 3D printed boat. Now, albeit we do have a lot of 3D printed boats out there, but I truly enjoyed watching this video and watching this build come together because everything on this boat is 3D printed minus the electronics. The Stinger, which came out phenomenal in my opinion, is really cool. Really awesome finish on the boat. So go check that video out, guys. Give that guy a like and come back over here. Integritas Marine gets Build of the Week. So we're going to move along, guys, and we are going to go with Recovery of the Week. Recovery of the Week comes straight from Davy Jones Locker. Again, from none other than Picking Pockets, hiring a scuba diver to pick up his outrigger from the bottom of the river, and the bottom of the lake, and the video is pretty awesome. Shows the scuba diver come up and find it and bring it all the way up, and it is destroyed. Now, if you go back in his videos, you'll be able to see what happened. And honestly, in the beginning of this video, he actually shows what happened and what led to this boat sinking down to Davy Jones Locker. Either way, Picking Pockets gets Recovery of the Week for spending that money, boy. Spending that money and getting that guy to go down there and get it. So Picking Pockets, thank you for posting it. Thank you for sending it. And we appreciate all the videos that you put up. We appreciate the effort that you're putting in because you are sending it, brother. Thank you very much, man. With that said, boys, we are going to move along. And guys, we have a pretty awesome Ovals of the Week. And as everybody knows, that is my favorite category. And Ovals of the Week comes straight from Instagram, from the original Mario, posting Chris Grimm running his Nitro outrigger on a 3rd mile course in 15.3 seconds. Absolutely insane. Fast. You guys got to watch it. I think the record is 14.4 seconds. And if I'm not mistaken, this is the number 2, holding the number 2 spot right now. So it seems that it is inching away to beating that record. Either way, guys, really awesome video, really awesome ovals. Go check it out. The original Mario, Ovals of the Week. All right, guys, so we have a 2-for-1 special. A 2-for-1 special. Everybody's 2 favorite categories. Crash of the Week and Pass of the Week. And we're going to start off with Pass of the Week. Pass of the Week comes straight from Louisiana. Trey's Toys, with Trey and his dad taking their heatwave to the absolute limit, guys. And 115 miles an hour, and he's been inching it up. Trey has been working his way up, and honestly, I enjoy watching those videos. I enjoy watching him challenge himself and get there to the goal that he's putting out, and that you guys are doing it together. It's so awesome. It really is. And just the fact that this 12-year-old kid has the will and determination to keep doing it and keep trying and keep progressing just shows that the future of this sport is in its infancy and the sky is the limit. So Trey's Toys gets the award for Pass of the Week at 115 miles an hour with a 24-inch Blackjack 24. And I said it was going to be a 2-for-1 special. Well, boy, it's a 2-for-1 special because he backed that pass up and he crashed right into the drain, the inlet pipe that brings water into the canal. Hit that thing so hard you could hear it probably from 150 yards away, and it was epic. So Crash of the Week goes to Trey's Toys again. And guys, really appreciate everybody doing what they do, putting their equipment out there, videotaping, editing the videos, uploading them. It takes a lot of work and it's much appreciated by all of us. So thank you for doing that. And gentlemen and ladies, thank you so much for tuning in to our weekly report. My name is Coby. See you next time.